Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Math. And today in this video we are going to solve 9th class chapter 14 statistic exercise 14.3 question number 2nd. This is related to bar graph. Okay, so in this question we have given some data and it is in thousand, means the following data of the number of girls to the nearest 10 per thousand boy in the different section of the Indian society is given below. Okay, these are the number of girls on per thousand boys. So we have to draw a bar graph, for this given information. In the classroom, discuss about the conclusion can be arrived at the graph. Okay, means after drawing the bar graph we have to discuss on it. Okay, so the main purpose is in this video we will draw the bar graph. Okay, so we have two axes, vertical axis, horizontal axis. On the vertical axis we will represent these numbers, observations, and on the horizontal axis, that is x axis, we will represent these different categories of the Indian society. Okay, so let's draw how we will draw the bar graph. And before drawing the bar graph we have to discuss about its scaling. As we know, each square box is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so now when we are considering our scaling, so 1 centimeter equal to, that is 10 small box. Okay, because in 1 centimeter, one square box, there are small thin lines are there. So these 10 thin lines are there. So 10 thin lines or 10 small box equal to 1 centimeter. And so now what we are considering, 1 centimeter equal to, we are considering 900 girls. Okay, so 900 girls. Okay, now we have to we have considered the scale hour. Now we will represent this data. Okay, now I have drawn my x-axis, y-axis on graph paper. This is my x-axis and this vertical line is y-axis. Okay, so bachi, on x-axis I am representing different section of Indian society. Okay, ST, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes. Okay, and on y-axis I have representing 100, 900, 910. And now you are seeing a specific symbol here. This is called kink. See, this is our 0, and after that we are starting our 900. So that means this first square box is gap is very different from these, because 900, 910, 920, 900, here it is 10 gap, but in the beginning it is 900 gap. 0 to direct we are jumping to the 900. That's why I have put kink over here. Okay, so now first observation is 940. Okay, so I am keeping my book is here so we can easily see the first observation. So first observation is 940. You can see over here 940. So 940 for the scheduled caste. So I'll draw the bar graph, the graphical line for this. So where my scale is, so for 940. So first we will go to 940. So here, okay, I am marking here. Then okay, second, as it is bar graph, so we will keep one line gap. Okay, second is 970. It is 970, so it will go to here. So next is 920. You can see, we can put it here. Okay, second one is 920. Next is 950, one gap, then 950. Next is 920 again. Then 930. 930 for the non-backward rural, then urban 910. Okay, so now we have to draw 910. Okay, now we have to draw vertical bars for these, means we have to basically join all the dots. Now I have joined all the dots which I have put, and I have converted them as in the vertical bar, and I am writing the social categories over here. This is ST, this is for SC, this is for ST, this is non-ST SC, this is for backward district, non-backward, so it is very small, so I am writing over here. Okay, non-backward district, this is rural, this is urban. So this is the bar graph for the given. So now as I told you, the scaling I have mentioned here. Now a topic we have to write in every, whenever we are writing or drawing a bar graph, we have to mention our topic over here. So the topic for this, number of girls per 1,000 boys in different sections of Indian सोसाइटी. ओके, सो मीन्स ये हमारा टाइटल है, और ये जो मतलब जब देखो आपने बार ग्राफ बनाया और आपने ये टाइटल नहीं लिखा, तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा बच्चे कि ये जो बार ग्राफ है ये किस चीज़ के लिए है. ठीक है ना, तो इसलिए हमेशा ये सारी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं, ध्यान रखें. जितना इम्पोर्टेंट आपका ये बार ग्राफ है उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट आपका टाइटल है. तो ऐसा ना सोचें कि टाइटल नहीं भी चलेगा तो कोई, आपको इसके मार्क्स मिलते हैं, आपको स्केलिंग के मार्क्स मिलते हैं. तो ध्यान रखिए, स्केल रखिए, मेंशन करिए कि इसको कितना कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, 1 सेंटीमीटर को कितना कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, वो क्या होता है, कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन होता है, एंड देन यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स.